Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I have another video for you. This time, unboxing time. So I have not done one of these in a while because I have not been buying much in recent months. But yeah, so stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so here is the box again. This time I got my trusted box cutter. So to make this process a little bit easier, I will cut from the bottom, just so I don't have to cut through the address label. Cut very carefully. Okay. Oopsie. So let me open it up. Does that give you a clue of what it could be? Orange box. But which orange box could it be? Da, 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 da. It is a box from Louis Vuitton. Let me put that down for a second. And let me see if there's anything else in here. There is not. So let me close this box. I will try to use it as a stage. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. Let me see if I can bring you down a little bit. Okay, so that's probably as low as it'll go for now, but I'll hold it up. Alright, so this is a magnetic box. Let me open it up to reveal. Any guesses so far? Okay, let me take it out. I'll put this on here. Alright, let me open it up. Da, 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 da. It is, oh wow. So it is, I don't even know what it's called actually. I think it's a pochette jour, probably. Yeah, I think it's called the pochette jour. Now this one is a special one because they did not sell this one in the stores. This was the VIP gift for Louis Vuitton in 2017. And I mean, I wasn't lucky enough to get one. But I did look on the resale websites and I found a great deal on this one. And so I decided to grab it. So this is the smaller version of this case, and it opens up from here all the way down to here. So let me open it up for you. Oh wow, okay, so it has a cardboard thing in here. Alright, and it comes with the tags. Alright, so on the tag it says Pochette Jour Box Souple Black. Let me see if I could focus this. There you go. So like I said, this was a VIP gift, so you can't buy it in the stores. So I don't even know why I showed you that tag. But the card here, it says the outside is calf leather and the inside is man-made lining. And so the inside is that Alcantara sort of suede type lining. And here is the tag. It says Louis Vuitton, made in France. There is one large pocket and one slip pocket in the back. I don't know if you could see. But yeah, I've been a big fan of these thinner style wallets because currently, let me just show you what I'm using. So I'm using this envelope case to carry, well, I have coupons and stuff in there, and I carry receipts or whatever. And let me show you what I use it for. And I have to take it out of the box. It is for, be very careful with this one. Alright, so this is the vintage jumbo in the caviar leather. But in each of these vintage jumbos, let me take out the air paper. There is a, let me remove the chains. There is a slip pocket back here, which is different from the current style jumbos, where it has the two slip pockets and that center pocket for a lipstick. This one is just a flat pocket, and I have been using my envelope to place right in there, as you can see. But let's see if this new thing that I got will fit in there. I don't know yet, but let's see. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so it does not fit, but I mean, I could still put it. I could still put it inside the bag, and it fits very nicely. But I'm just not going to be able to fit it in that pocket. So I could use this thing, and I could still use this thing. I might be able to use this for like documents or whatever that I have to fold in half, you know, 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper. And then if I need to quickly go somewhere or something, I could just take this out and put my wallet and stuff in there, and yeah, not have to carry a bag if I don't want to. So I purchased this item on eBay, and if you go look right now, there probably is a few more of them. Currently this is brand new, it's never been worn, and like I said, it is hard to determine how much to pay for this item, but you know, anything that is out there is pretty much worth as much as someone else is willing to pay for it. And I got this, how much did I buy this for? I think I bought it for $300, I think. And I know, so Louis Vuitton does make a similar version of this case in different leathers, and just recently they had the larger version in the Supreme line. I was not able to score that one, but yeah, I've always thought about it, and so I saw this and I thought this would make a good you know, option for me, and that's why I decided to get it. Let me just look over this piece a little bit. So there is a gusset here, if you can see, and so I could fit a little bit in there. I'm not gonna be able to fit a lot. Let me just see what I can fit. So I have my cell phone and let me just see, so I have a wallet. Oh shoot, okay, let me try to reorganize. So it does not look like this will fit very well, but let me see, I have a flat card holder. I'll put that in there. Let me see, okay, so, and what else? And I usually use this for my keys. I'll put that in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this does not really fit very much. But here, let me... So currently I have a flat card case up there. My key case in there as well. And I could probably fit something else, but let me show you what it looks like when I close it. So I can already tell it's puckering. Okay, so this thing is pretty small, but here you go. So even with just a few items in there, it does not really look pretty. So I think I won't really use this as a clutch. Oh shoot. Oh, God. because it just doesn't really work that way. So I will just use this for like paper or flats items, but it just feels so nice and it smells so good and it feels so good too. So this is my first piece in, I guess it's called docLUXURY leather. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but this is a very nice smooth leather. I don't know how durable it is, but one thing with the Louis Vuitton brand that I think I will avoid from now on, I'm not going to really purchase any canvas pieces. Well, actually no, just X that, because then there are a few canvas pieces that I am currently looking at, but I will try to you know, purchase primarily leather, and this is a very nice one. Okay, let me try to put this back. So yeah, that does it for this video. If you have any comments or suggestions or questions, please let me know and I'll try to answer them for you. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.